Okay, I think we can like slowly start. What's going on? Okay, no. Hello. Hello everyone. Hello. The camera is drunk. Who cares? Hello. Yeah, I'm not even like we all know what we are in here for, so let's just like stop lying to ourselves and actually get on with what we are supposed to do. I'm still thinking in the wrong language. This is not great. Okay, so yeah, welcome. This is my Ludum project. Holy garbage, that delay. I'm sorry, I need to change that. Although I'm not supposed to show you that. I'm stupid, I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Here, like... Okay, no. This is weird. Oh really, I can't... Okay, who cares? Whatever, we have a big delay. Who cares? Wrong button, again. Do you see me? Yeah. Here, whatever, like, I need to stop caring. This is my little Dara game. If I can just link my controller here. Show you what's going on. Actually, no, this is a stupid scene, I'm going to change it. Yes. Took you long enough. Let me. Holy. Yeah, this is my project. We basically we just like completely ditched the theme and we just want to make Celeste too. You know, what an absolutely noble thing. Alright. Sorry, I forgot my computer is racist. Hold up, where's the application? Unity and other things don't really like this gamepad, so you have to have like a remapper in the background or whatever you call it. Excuse me? Thank you. Now, may you please work? Thank you. Yep, this is my Celeste controller garbage. Yeah, I can stick to walls. Can jump. You'll see there's like a camera follow, it's really janky. But yeah, it exists and we can do random things, such as this. Oops. Yep. And the other fun mechanic is that there will be a grappling hook. Currently it doesn't work because my friend is doing that part, and he really sucks at it, so we will see how it will go. Worst case scenario, I will just give up on life. I'm actually quite surprised. There is actually... Oh, never mind. There's like actually... Okay, never mind. I was about to say that the Twitch is better, and there's not many people watching me right now, but never mind. Oh, holy garbage. And a friend that is supposed to work on the main mechanic of the game is currently playing, I don't know, Kerbal Space Program, whatever it's called. Yeah, here you can have to... That's a really nice looking console. You have to agree with me here because I spent way too long on it. Excuse me, can I please climb up? Thank you. Yeah. It's not much, but it's a 2D platformer, so it actually is much. Like, holy garbage, I'm never making a 2D platformer ever again. This character controller, right here, ridiculous. Like, literally the first day, I just worked on this thing. I had to keep coding in my little editor. There's like this really big and junky script. I'm gonna show it to you now because who cares? Like, it's... I hate it. I hate it. I hate all of it. I hate all of it, except the input system part. I really like my input system, couldn't you tell? Yeah. So, currently I want to make checkpoints, levels, whatever it's called. So that, you know, for example, you go in here, and then you die. You don't want to end up in here, you want to end up in here, right? Can you see my mouse? You can. That's what most people want. Sorry, I actually just realized, holy garbage, what am I doing with my life? I'm really sorry to everybody watching this on a phone, especially at night. I'm really sorry. It's a long story why that was on, but who cares? So yeah, currently player. I need to change the scene because, you know, I work in a team and we need to respect our things, or else we have conflicts. So what is it? Local level 1. So yeah, I've made this temporary level in here where I can test out things on my own because my friends are doing things on the that previous level. And basically, if I edit something and they edit something and we want to, well, synchronize our progress, then it's just like, oh boy, can't really do that right now because... Hello. Wow, so much chat traffic. Wow. What I want, okay, yeah, so my idea for checkpoints is kinda similar. We have like this big manager, which is, I think this is literally it, who cares. Then we have like a checkpoint, so basically I have like a game object in here with that checkpoint, and actually let me create one. Create empty checkpoint, who cares. 000, where are you? Okay. Level checkpoint. Where are you? Level checkpoint there. What did I do? What? Holy garbage, I am stupid. Okay, you didn't see that. Why can't you actually see anything? Oh, wait a second, am I on the wrong mode? Hold up. What's camera? Stop being stupid. Welcome back. Welcome back to light. This is literally what they said in Dying Light 2, I'm telling you. Yeah, anyways, we have like a checkpoint here, and if we box collider 2D, whatever, this trigger, yeah, if we touch this thing, we create a checkpoint, and then when we die, we don't want to reload the whole level because that is slow and clunky. What we want to do is actually just like revert those objects, and we have to do that manually, which is annoying, but what can you do? So yeah, pretty much, if I pass in here, if I detect a player, I create a checkpoint, and then when I die, for example, this checkpoint also has this dandy thing, this purple thing here. This indicates the point where I'm going to respawn at. And, well, currently that doesn't work, because why? Oh, actually, does it work? I forgot. It doesn't work. Player state reverter. Yeah. Exactly. Start position... maybe offset, and then the start position will be equal to transform.position plus this, because it will be really annoying to copy the player from level to level, because most of the time we just want him to spawn at the same place, aka where he originally spawns in, but sometimes we want to apply an offset or something like the lines of that. And yeah, there you go, ready. So I'm really sad because there isn't like an easy way to convert your things in stream elements to YouTube. So there is no chat on screen, so it would appear like I'm really lonely, but I'm not. Trust me. Yep, pretty much. And then let's create a command. Yeah, because we do that here. Scripts. Commands. I just haven't created a single command. I know, amazing. Oh yeah, game.commands. Now I have to wait for Unity to literally do absolutely nothing, because can't you wait? Nah, he can't, because he needs to do his scrap, and now I can finally what do I have to reference? Game. I need to reference game, I need to reference QBasic. There's something else I need to reference. on every platform, all of the platforms, and then we have to wait once again for literally no reason. Thank you, now I can create my sorry, wrong button. Create QASIC console, oh, sorry, no. Yeah, I've made like a custom... Made something custom, I would like to use that. Hold up, script templates. Script templates. New game console command. That ain't showing up here. Oh. Okay, I've messed it up. I would need to restart the editor, so let's just pretend that's I hate this. Scripts commands, create QASIC console command. What will we call it? Revert level state command. Like, I have no idea why, but this version of Unity is actually a lot better than the previous one. That is because I just didn't code mostly, but you know, at least it compiles. Thank you. In Lumdar 50, the code didn't compile because reasons. Why? Why? Thanks, Visual Studio. I love you. Revert level state, or RLS because I'm like that. We don't care about this because I'm too lazy. Reverts the level state. Yeah, that's what it does exactly. Namespace game.commands. Because that was blah, blah, blah. Yeah. And you also need to reference game.checkpoints. And in here we will just do check level checkpoint manager dot revert state, and that's all. That's the command. Fantastic. So now hopefully it will work. Hopefully it will work. In other versions of Unity you could actually like disable auto reloading, so you could basically disable that, do whatever you wanted to do, re-enable it, and then Unity would do its crap. Now you can't do that, or at least I cannot find where you can do that, so that's a bummer. Yeah, let's place it in here. This is important, by the way, just trust me, bro, okay? Just trust me. I see YouTube streams is still the thing. It's actually like, well, I know YouTube streams are more like popular than Twitch streams, I guess, because like YouTube isn't Twitch, and Twitch is an absolutely terrible platform. What was it? RLS? Hey, I teleported back. Okay, that's nice. See? Can even like show you. Hold up. Does this still work? I haven't updated this since. Oh, holy garbage. We are getting into some really dark territories. Look in here. Look at the player. RLS. Run. There you go. Magic. Yeah, this is nice. Oh, there's an invisible platform because I don't have sprites. Yeah, my friends aren't that nice. They keep ignoring me. What's this game jam about? It's about... What did I just do there? It's about... what was it? Every 10 seconds, that's the theme. Yeah. It's stupid. Pretty much. So, luckily... Sorry, it's not Mike Kasprzak anymore. It's Interactive Snarks Limited has implemented a nice new feature where you can completely ditch the theme. It's built into the site. So we said, hey, we can use that. It works for us, you know? I mean, we all just said, hey, we played Celeste, let's make Celeste 2. So there you go, grab Celeste 2. Sadly, if teleportation is not enough, because we also need to... Oh yeah, we also need access to a script that I cannot access because friends, and they won't commit their changes because they're playing video games. Oh, hold up, they pinged me. There is a platform. Oh, okay, hold up, I need to explain them. Switch language. I cannot think in two languages at the same time. Hold up. Oh, switch to the correct language. Like, don't do this. Okay. Reference. This is the reference. Now make me this. Make me this except scuffed version because I'm stupid. So every 10 seconds nothing happens. Exactly. Exactly. That's my idea. That's my idea. This I'm going to include this in the game. This is stupid. Okay. Whatever. I still am waiting for the grappling hook. Holy garbage. I think we are actually making our custom physics, which is kind of funny. So yeah, this works, I guess. I think this works. Let's maybe like make a transition, so I can actually finish this. Do we need UI canvas, canvas. Yeah, this is very professional game dev moment right here. So I have transition. What transition should we make? I'm thinking. I feel like this is like really strange idea, but what's like the theme is like ancient like ruins and climbing and things. How can we make something that really interprets that in a split screen transition? I literally have no idea. Should we like do like a slide-in animation? Oh, it actually works. I think that would be really nice. Although, you know, in Celeste, like, it always like zooms in on the player so we can see what you did wrong. I mean, like here it's just like, that's it. So that would be a cool. Yeah. Make a polished Easter egg. What do you mean by that sentence? What do you expect me to do? I cannot make the UI cutouts because... Can I? No, wait a second, I can't. What's it called? Mask. This thing only works one way, so I can basically have like this object, and then if I have another like image right here, like you see it disappears, it's gone. But that's not what I want the opposite. But the only thing of this image shows under that image, but I don't really think you can do that. Or like that image makes a cutout in this image. This is complicated. I actually don't know. I can think about it later. Just like, you know, we don't need to do this right now. So I think that's what we call a good enough moment, and we just commit this because we are not creative. Upload, what will we call this? Check points added, check points, yeah. Now we do a little bit of hacking and then, oh, thank you. So let me check the GitHub. Do we have like things committed? LD51. Let me see the commit history. 25 comments, that's pathetic. It's checkpoints, merge grappling hook implementation, main branch merge, main branch merge, grappling hook swing implementation. Swing implementation! Oh boys, let's check this out. I need to see this. How terrible will this be? Like, this man makes like the worst. Okay, yeah, he's asking like, is the grappling hook okay? It ain't working, pal. I'm pressing the button. Oh! Never mind. Okay, that's actually fun. Like, why is there like a limit to this? So why doesn't it like always register? Like in here it's fine, but in here like, okay, yes. It kind of like if I start from the bottom, but like it doesn't really, like for example, let's say that I'm walking and then just jump immediately. It should still have momentum, but it doesn't. Yeah, why am I levitating? What? So like a pause when not focused, play focused, play maximized, play unfocused. Will this fix this? Yeah, there you go, why aren't you? Unity, you are strange, you are a strange cookie, to be honest. I need to write in Polish, so I'm not gonna talk because my brain doesn't work in two languages at the same time. Yeah. Oh yeah, he knows about that. So I'm not really sure if this is gonna be intuitive for people to like play like this. Also, why is it not working again? Like I'm pressing it and it doesn't work. Why can I see gizmos? Go away. I'm getting flashbacks to physics. Okay, he says that holy garbage. What is the holy garbage? Yo, what is this? Something coefficient. So this means that now we are going to. Could you please? Okay, and it keeps like hanging like this. Yeah. How long does it take to learn Unity and C#? IDK, honestly. And like. My story of Unity is like really long. I think I've been doing this for like 5 years or more. I'm not even gonna begin. And I started with I started with tutorials, but it was like 2015 or something, so it was terrible. Or at least in Polish language, and I wasn't really that fluent, nor I didn't really understand English, so I had to have Polish what's it called, tutorials, and I couldn't find a single one. Yeah, Brachis didn't exist. Actually, when was Brachis created? Brachis. Yeah, whatever. Let me see the channel. About 2012. Never mind, I'm stupid. Maybe I was 7 years old when I was creating things. What's the oldest video? 9 years ago. Maybe it's a coincidence. Yeah, whatever. Now, can I like unlock the... Okay. Guys, let's do a prediction. What is the possibility he hard-coded the... What's it called? The grappling hook, like, range? I actually have no idea where it is. Grab. So if I grab... Raycast, transform of direction... Oh, he hard-coded it! What a man! Why? An absolute lad, like, like he always, every jam he does this. Oh, and now he says, oh yeah, what limit, I don't know what this, hey, how about you? What is this then, my dear friend? What is this? The possibility is 2. What are you talking about? Like, I've learned C++ at first, because it was actually a lot easier to find tutorials for C++. C# would probably be more easier to learn when I'm thinking about it. Like C# is more consistent. C++ is like really... It's like, you know, like, oh yeah, you want to print out something to a console? Yeah, use std, cout, stupid like arrows, like... Here we, for everything in C#, there's like a command. Okay, like once, I hate this. Oh yeah, he was too lazy to add them. I don't know what I was talking about. Yeah, never mind. Okay, so if this is done, all's done. Holy garbage, have you heard about this? Actually have to make something. See, now I get all of the credit for walls because I was the one that pressed the button. Decoys, background, whatever. Stamina. Can I work on the stamina? Hold up. Can you... This is why you don't make everything in one script, because then you end up in a situation like this. Dying. Exactly. Trampoline, moving platform. I think I might ditch moving platforms because I'm too lazy. I might do a button, and that would probably like be the majority of it. Graphics. We don't need graphics. Screw graphics. Is this a song Slime Rancher? Actually, why is there a... Oh yeah, I guess it is. Okay. Yeah. Like, literally, how I get music is just like, I think about like a game I know, and I may have liked watching it because I don't play many video games. And I say, oh yeah, let's check out this soundtrack, and when it is nice, I say, hey, cool. Okay, so this works. I need to implement stamina. Stamina, that's important. That seems like it's important, but nah. No, I don't think it is. Like, honestly, I should focus more about like things like sound effects and music, but I'm here, so screw you. Stamina, moving platform, trampoline. Time to make it. No, I need access to the... Respond. I need to know if I can access this stupid component because it's like literally the center of the game. What? Can I work on something else? Like maybe like small details. Level design maybe, but I thought I could do it on the last day because that's fun. Okay, honestly, like, why can't YouTube just concurrent viewers? Is that what the number of viewers connected to the stream at the most recently available time? How about you show me how many I have currently? Holy garbaggio. Right, or maybe that's it, hold up. At the most recently available time. Okay, I think that's it. 5 people. Hello, 5 people. How is your day? Why are you watching me here? Oh, should I like... Okay, one of the things I don't have written down here is just like pixel perfect camera. Never mind, one person left. Pixel perfect camera. Let's make a pixel perfect camera. I mean, it's kind... In this level I've experimented a little bit. This is actually a pixel perfect camera if you can see it. I mean, you can't see it, but like you can see that all of the sprites are like touching each other, so... Stone is not important right now. It is important, well, the main mechanics and this is I'm going to base of levels from. Also, why are you just like randomly floating? Never mind, pixel perfect camera is broken. Fantastic. There you go, it's fixed now. Out it goes, okay. I forgot there's an invisible platform in here. Yeah, this is like, these are actually the graphics we are going to use probably. And now it is better to focus on other stuff. What other stuff? Like, why can't you... This one actually went offline? What an absurd lad. Like, he's working on one of the main mechanics, but I also need to work on other main mechanics. I don't know if I can work on them because he keeps touching that thing. Starting the pixel perfect camera. Pixel perfect camera it is then, I guess. So then, I've never actually... I mean, I did it sometimes, but I really suck at this. May I please? Holy garbage, let me do what I want to do. Thank you. What do I want to do? Pixel perfect render textures. S. Ah! Is there like a... Oh, wait a second. Oh, never mind. Never mind, I thought I could like have this be split in the middle. That would actually be amazing. Anyways, render textures. Create new render texture. Where are you? Render texture. There you go. Game, whatever. Screen, gameplay. Who cares? Now, this is the size of the camera I want. Let's see, it's 8 sprites by 8. If I select the grid, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Calculator. 16 times 8. Okay, it's 128, like times 16 divided by 9, it's a terrible number, so how about we add a 2 to this, because why not, and then times 16 divided by 9. Actually, wait a second, the way to do this is to just check if it's divisible by 9. Oh yeah, that's smart. When is it divisible by 132? 132, 135? 135? Times 16 divided by 9. Oh yeah, I'm right, okay. Yeah. This times... Never mind, the other way around. Right? Yep. Main camera. Screw you because you suck. Like, I'm not gonna get into why this, why I don't want to use that, but... Pretty much it ain't great. Say the least. Output, yep, output, exactly. Render texture. This render texture. No cameras displaying. Shut up. So when we have this camera, we also have... this is the main camera and this is the game camera. Yeah, that's how we do it. Okay, that's fantastic. Yep, And then we create like a hold up system. Even no cameras displaying. Oh yeah, hold up, right, they aren't displaying. Camera. Change this color to something that isn't ugly. Excusez-moi. Solid color, black. Then screen. Where is it? Like culling mask or something like that. Volumes, no. Culling mask, nothing. Because we don't want it to render anything, it's just a dummy camera. So that Unity won't scream at us. And what we actually want to do is go in... Where? Systems. Systems is a thing that keeps... that just gets loaded every single time the game starts. Game view. Yeah, scale of screen. Actually, constant pixel size, I think. Because we need, it's not gonna work out of the box. We need to write the code too. Oh, I'm gonna explain later. But anyways, shut up. Oh. Raw texture, yeah. So, now technically, if we go to level 1... Oh, so many people dropped because I'm doing nerd garbage. Well then. Sorry then. Hey, it is absolutely horrendous. I don't have an excuse for this. I'm not saying myself under this. Also, here we need to do point. Yeah, now it's a little bit more clear. Huh. Please. What is that emoji? I don't know. Okay, shall we wing it or shall we do use math? Because this isn't working. Oh. Yeah, it has to be a different number. We would like... It's okay, it's the top part. The top part is 130. Okay, he won't do anything, so we can get on with this and then do our other crap. So, it's 130 divided by 8. That's how I do it? That's how I do it in the industry? Nope. Oh yeah, divided by 2. Okay, now it should definitely work out of the box, hopefully. 100% guaranteed 12 years warranty. All of the buzzwords. Come on! Work! Oh boy. I mean, it kinda works. Oh no, why are you doing this to me? Filter mode, point, rough mode. Like, there are spaces between pixels because Unity. I hate this. Oh, it's actually more... It's actually worse? It's actually worse? Oh boy. Never mind, pixel perfect camera then. Actually, why are there 2? The second one. 2D pixel perfect package is incompatible with scriptable render pipeline if you're using this stuff for the pixel. Wait. I kept seeing like this version, I thought it was like the older version. I am confused. What was the dimensions? 130. I don't think that's it. Why are you complaining about today? Holy garbage, this camera. Like, actually. Okay, so the problem with this approach is that you can see currently I have no idea what it wants from me. Oh yeah, like it has to be like the even width. It may not display perfectly in this situation. Yeah, in certain okay, never mind, it actually resizes. I don't really like this. Like, okay, yeah, whatever. I guess it's fine. It's a game jam game. And shut up, Unity editor. For the love of, shut up. Shoot. So I guess we're back to square one, where we literally accomplished nothing. And we actually lost more brain cells, so... Yeah, whatever, git status. Check out... Okay. Okay, here's a way so I can actually work on the fun character controller garbage. Let me check. Okay. So, this is stupid. Game.player. Yeah, you can see I've actually poured my heart and soul into this, so I really hope you appreciate it. Holy garbage. Anyways, time to actually implement garbage. Now. And for another wall of text. Header. Stamina. Serialize field float stamina. Hold up, maximum stamina. Yeah. Then another float, what's it called? Grab stamina. Grab stamina. What's it called? Like how much stamina it takes per second. Grab stamina. Screw it. And climb stamina. Yeah, that's how we talk, because we are all humans and we talk like humans, right? Anyways. So grab is grabbing. So basically, is grabbing will also require you to have stamina. Hold up, I need another float stamina. This is actually our current stamina level. Can we implement max stamina? No, we can't because C#. And stamina exists. Stamina is to be, yeah, it has to be bigger than 0. If it's not bigger than 0, then it's bad. If we are grabbing, then stamina. What's it called? Stamina minus equals. And if this. So basically, we if we are not moving, so yeah, if hold up, actually let's do this another way. If we are moving, we will be using the, what's it called? Climb stamina, because that's what, because we are climbing, so we need the climb stamina. And if we are not climbing, we are actually taking grab stamina. Yeah. And all of that gets fixed and multiplied by fixed delta times, so that it will be consistent. So that because well, it can sometimes it's okay. Pretty much this happens like 60 times the frame. So we want to divide this by 60, and this value is if we multiply by this, it's like dividing it by 60. Okay, yeah, stamina. That works. If it's grounded, if we are grounded in reality, stamina is equal maximum stamina. Yeah. Actually, no. If we land, stamina is equal maximum stamina. Yeah. And just be perfectly fine. Let's do it like 20. Then we will be able to hold here for like 10 seconds, and we'll be okay. Maybe like 15 seconds, whatever. I just can't, that's not how, no, that's not how it works. It's how much stamina it takes per second. So if we want to be able to hold up for like 15 seconds, 1 divided by 15 is not a nice number. So we will just do 0.35. Yeah. And this will be 0. Hold up, never mind, 3.5. I am drunk. And this will be 4. Yeah, 4. Face holding back tears. What are you smoking? Like, there's just this one lad that just keeps spamming random emoticons that was developed by our Lord and Savior Google. I honestly hate the emoticons. Like, I actually question if I could actually ban emotes on Twitch. I've realized that that's like a big part of the platform and you can't just really ban it. Well, I don't think there's even an option to do that. So... I cannot grab. Okay, that's not fantastic, that's terrible. Why can't you work? Why can't you work? Because there's... Why? Why you do this to me? What? Alright, suddenly it works. Okay, who cares? Unity Momentum. I would honestly, probably in a couple of days, I would say, okay, yep, you can use 2021 Unity LTS, but I can actually present it to you later, but... Oh, what's this now? Oh no, that's just Unity being Unity. Actually, before we do anything, update. Update? No, we don't need update, we just need fix update. qdebug.display value stamina. So this will pretty much just display stamina on screen. I'll be able to show you. Oh, suggestion, okay. The stream's current bitrate is higher than the recommended. Cry about it. Edit settings. This is open on my... Thank you. Settings. Output. Oh, that's a really odd number. Shut up, Unity. Crying out loud. Okay, here, you can see stamina, it's currently 20. If I grab on this ledge, it will slowly go down. If I climb, it will not so slowly go down, and now I cannot grab it completely. So, yep. It works. Oh, I'm not supposed to be able to do that, right? Or am I? I don't know. Don't care. Yeah, it works nicely. Okay. Yeah, I think we're done. Stamina, there you go. One thing that I wanted to test out is that if I could... Oh yeah, also, I just realized what we have to do. I don't have... Yeah, I don't have a... where is it? Sprites. Yes, square. I don't have an animator. Like we have a character, but it's not implemented, it's not imported, and it doesn't have animations, so we have to also do that. Square, can I... Mask. Sprite mask. Sprite, or is that the... Is the sprite mask supposed to be here? Sprite mask, I don't know what's it... I don't know how this works. Sprite. Oh, you don't... Oh, wait a second, what? Okay, how does sprite mask? I already knows that I want things from Unity. Sprite mask, okay, yep, understand. I am confused, and also, why is what are you doing, Unity? Why do I see, like, sin in your documentation? Why would you do that? Learn to... Oh, no. No, no, we are not going in here. Ouch! Trees... That's fantastic. I love this. Also change to the correct language. Up. Unity sprite mask. Let's watch a video, I guess. 1 hour.
Hey everyone, and well,
holy garbage!
Welcome back.
Don't talk. Okay, fantastic. Yeah, we don't care. Yeah. Please get on with it. Yep, sprite mask. We create a new sprite mask. And the sprite mask. Okay, he selected a knob. Fantastic. I love this. It doesn't exist. Schizophrenia. Okay, he selects visible inside. Could you please get on with it? Thank you. Okay. I don't get it. Empty. We call this sprite mask. Holy garbage, reset your position. Sprite mask, and then we add a sprite mask. And then we add an Elon Musk here. A circle, yeah, why not? Oh yeah, I am scary sprite mask. I'm ghost. Sprite circle mask interaction visible inside mask, visible outside mask. None of the Elon Musks are working. Oh, because I have this. Wait a second, so this like works for literally every... That's busted, I'm sorry. What? This works for everything? Or does it only work for things on the same layer? What? Custom range? What? You are actually smoking. Yeah, I want 0 default to 0 default. Why aren't you working? Is it not on default? Are you not on default? You're on the... What is your problem? Thank you. Okay, whatever. Yep, there we go. Sprite mask, it works, I guess. Or something like that. Holy garbage, this is gonna be hard. On the second then. Sorry, it makes things complicated. Why can't I just use 2 sprites? Go away. Why is this? Why do we need this? Who asked? Honestly. Because I surely do not see a single person. Okay, we will figure something out. Like, we don't have graphics, let's do graphics now, okay? Upload, stamina, added, stamina. Yeah, there we go. Revert this, okay. Now, we will create an animator. I was actually thinking about using a artificial reanimator thing, but I've decided nah, because I am like that. Okay, sprite animator. Then once, hold up, no. Preferences. Load previous project, disable autosave script changes while playing. No, code optimization stuff. Your theme enable. How can I disable like auto refresh? Thank you, my dear friend. Holy garbage, I can disable this, and now look. I'm gonna be so amazing. I'm gonna game.sprite animator, and it won't recompile for literally no re. Are you serious? You're disabled. Why are you doing this to me and the human society as a whole? QA sick because I love that plugin. And I guess that's it. Really? I hate this. Where's my water? Oh, actually, I have no idea what's the context of this, but I found this in my local shop. Okay. Oh, wrong button. Cringe Fiesta. Thanks, Timberg. You're so amazing. 20% sook. You suck 20%. I'm actually too lazy to wait. How do you do autofocus? Why isn't it working? This is broken. Whatever, focus on this. Holy garbage. Focus on this. Stop focusing on me face. You see? 20% sook. That took a long time to do. Okay, yeah, whatever. Okay, but if I create a new script, let's call this sprite animator, will you are you serious? Why? Am I using the wrong like setting or something? I literally don't get it. Also, I'm gonna show you something like really amazing. This is such an amazing feature. So, in the new Unity, you have an object right here. I have an object. I duplicate it. I press Ctrl Z. It didn't do anything. Okay, but this will certainly work here. If I go in here, I have an object. I duplicate it. Ctrl Z. Now that's a feature, my dear friends. Now that's a feature. Holy garbage. Why? I don't know, I guess it's something with the UI, but like, come on. I'm sorry, this company is worth how much? Like, I think I have the resources to have at least one person do something. Oh yeah, let's report a bug. Please specify. Always. What happened? An object in the canvas and you... I duplicated an object in the canvas. Then after reverting, the editor crashed. How can I reproduce it using the example you attach? I'm not gonna touch anything, go away. Title. After undo. Okay, can I... Okay, go away, go away. Okay, sprite animator. In the meantime, Unity, please... do you have anything? No, actually, I can show you this. Nobody cares. I do a lot of things not only related to, you know, game development, but other things in Unity which I don't really like you seeing, but it's fine. Yes, sprite animator, but on top of that, where is sprite animator? Game.sprite animator. You also need a script called sprite animation. Animaciones. For the love of. Yes, I could zoom a little bit so that you could see more. I find it really annoying how people just, you know, have their 4K Ultra QHD TVs and then they, you know, they record things, but then you're just like, excuse me, I cannot read a single thing you're writing there. Scriptable option. Oh, holy garbage. Unity engine. Scriptable object assets that sprite animator. You need to do a thing here, and I forgot what it is. Okay, let's copy code from QASIC, the most reliable source on the internet. Input, yeah, whatever. Map, input, map. There you go. Create asset menu. That's what we need. New sprite animation. Should be in scriptable objects. Animation. There you go. That maybe even more fancy. Sprite animator. / sprite animation. Yeah. Did you see the 106 software work? Yeah. Actually quite surprised. I honestly never expected Norfoot to actually show your model outside, like from the third person view, but yeah, the refactor actually allows for it. It's kind of strange. Like I'm used to Norfoot sucking at their job. We're seeing them actually do something impressive. This list will contain sprites. Yeah, exactly, sprites. I don't have a sprite. I don't drink drinks. Sprites. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm done. Sprite. Actually. Oh, never mind. Public. Then in here we will have a public. Yeah, why not public? Public. Holy garbage. Public. What's it called? Float or int frames per second. Minimum will be 1 because we don't want to divide by 0, do we? How long have I been string for? An hour 13. Okay, that's fine. Then update float time. Or actually, I just had like this amazing idea where we could have multiple animations, multiple objects using this, and we would always have like the same time for every single one of them. I'm tempted, but no, that's too much work. And it's not much work, but it requires thinking, and that's really annoying to do. Time. I'm sorry, I need to do this because I'm going to die physically. Delta time. And we also need public sprite renderer. What do you want? Hides the component.renderer. You are so annoying. Sprite renderer. If sprite renderer will not be equal null. Now, for the sake of it, I dot sprite, right? Yeah. Be equal sprite animation. Why isn't there a namespace here? Game.sprite. Game. Holy garbage. So namespaces are they just basically hide things. So for example, what's a good idea? Like you can see, then we have to reference them here. So if I were to delete this, like list, if I type in list, like it doesn't exist. But if I reference this by also specifying system.collections.generic.list, it will actually show up because normally it's hidden. This is why we do this to like not have many interferences, because you know things can get really hectic. We have like a lot of scripts. But it's better to do it than to not do it. So animation get private set. Shut up. Int frame will be equal. It will be equal something, but we don't really know. How do you get the like? I don't know how to call this, but like, if I divided something by something, and I just want the rest of it. Am I talking correctly? Well, just the end of it. I don't want. No, I'm not speaking Russian. Yeah, okay. Float anim time or something like that will be equal time divided by frames. One divided by frames per second, so this is how we get the time of one frame. Am I doing this correctly? Oh, I cannot think straight, okay. That's not nice, that's not good, that's not good for a game jam. I mean, that's literally every game jam ever, but you know, that still ain't great. Time divided by what? Time divided by current animation dot sprites times whatever it is that counts. A sprite renderer will not be equal null, and sprite animation will not be equal null, and that count will not be equal 0. Anim time. Int frame. How do we get the frame? I think it's gonna be something like anim time minus mathf that's minimum. This is really chunky, who cares? This is really chunky. I don't know how to do this. Basically want to have like an animation that every single frame it changes the sprite. Actually, I think I can... Oh, never mind, I have an idea now. If sprite would be equal null or something like this, or this would be equal null, or this would be equal 0, we don't do anything. Return, exactly, me every day. But if that ain't the case, time dot delta time, so we add the time, and then when we add the time, if time is bigger or equal, and frame time will be equal 1f divided by frames per second. What do you want? Float, okay, frame time. If this time will be equal, will be bigger than frame time, so if we will pass, you know, shut up. If we, how do I describe this? If the time gets like big enough, because let's say that every like 0.2 seconds we change the frame. If the time gets bigger than those 0.2 seconds, that means that we should change the frame. So this is basically what we will do here. So when we do this, yeah, so when we do this, we change the frame. So frame, int frame. Frame plus equals frame plus just, yeah, we just increase the frame. Then if the frame the bigger or equal current animation sprites that count, so this means that if it's out of range, pretty much, we just reset it. So if we go out of the animation, we just go back. Actually, we could do something even more smarter. In here, we could also do a public bool loop. So, if we want the animation to loop, if we don't want the animation to loop, we just return. So yeah, if we don't want the animation to loop, we just say, whatever, go away, we don't care. So in here, just, you know, for anything, we will actually frame time. We are going to decrease the frame time so that the animation will be updated. I'm sorry, so the time will be reset once again. And we don't set it to 0, but we actually decrease it so that it will be more consistent, because there might be like some smaller values at the end of this thing. Like for example, this is 0.2, this is 0.2 dash, sorry, 0.25347. We still want those numbers, okay? We don't want to reset everything. Yeah, this is what we do, and in here we just say sprite renderer with the smaller number. Sprite will be equal current animation dot sprite index, right? No, frame, yeah. There we go. Should be done, hopefully. Should work, probably, maybe, hopefully. Okay, so sprites. I'm going and I have to download something, and I don't want to show you anything. Where is it? It's sending. This is the player. Also, this is our player. Hold up, let me show it to you. Projects. Unity out. Unity projects and packages. LD51, assets and sprites. Okay, we're done. Oh, are you serious? Hold up. I know what this is about. Edit preferences. Re-import. There we go. There is our player. Okay. Is it just me? Or does this little fella look like something else? The world has... this entity has plagued our world. We should fight back, probably. This is multiple, no filtering. Thank you. On textures with width height being multiple of 4 can be compressed of dx. What are you smoking? Compression, none. Aha! Fixed it. Slice type automatic. Actually, what's the... This is 7 by 7, this is 7 by 8. I think it's a space of 1. So, slice, width by cell size, 8. Offset padding will be 1 pixel. Right? Oh, hold up, 2 pixels. Right? Yeah, I think that's how we do it. Keep empty rects, no, we don't want that. Pivot center, pivot bottom. The least existing slicing method will destroy the current sprite. Okay, well, there's sprite. We done? Oh yeah, we done. Not sure why he wrote this, but yeah, whatever, I guess we will use this. Oh, what an absolute lad. He didn't move the character but by 2 sprites. Why would you do this? You are actually... Ah. I think it's gonna be fine. Just gonna have to adjust the collision. Gonna be like this little small, little tiny dot. Beep, beep, beep. This is what we are going to say. Hey, player! I'm gonna modify you a little bit, my little lad. Let's create a 2D object sprites. Sprite renderer, have you heard about that? Why can't I just create this here? Okay. Fantastic. Image. Or sprite, why is it ignore raycast? Why? Okay, yeah, that's not question. It's not question. Image sprite renderer. Hello, 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 little laddie. Laddie or lad? No, that's a man. That's a man. It's official. It's in the Wikipedia. Okay. How do I do this now? Capsule collider. No, it's not that big of a capsule because it's circle, but it's fine. Offset 0.5. Like this little tic tac. Okay, 0.5. Yeah, something like that. He's so small, he's so small. Okay. Let's see how he runs. Just screw you. Shut up. Shut up. Now, you gotta love OBS for literally not understanding the concept of the default audio device. Oh, that's disgusting. Checkbox. So yeah, pretty much we just want to replace the boxes because they suck. We want to replace them with capsules and other garbage. Go away. Ah, people are pinging me. Like they think I care. Oh, we also now have a nice new sprite. Fantastic. I'm gonna place this here. If you spill, I'm going to hunt down your family. Don't do it. Checkbox. We are going to do overlap circle all. I have no idea what all means, but it works. And without that, it doesn't work for some reason. Jump check size, and what do you need? Jump check layer. Will not be equal 0. What do you return? Yeah, dot count. Jump check size is gonna now be a float. Are you happy? Shut up! Okay. Draw wire sphere. What do you want from me? X3 arguments? What do you mean? Oh yeah, you don't. Okay. This one, draw wire, draw capsule. Screw you, we ain't drawing anything. Oh no, actually we need to draw. How do we do this? Screw it, I hope it will work. I have high hopes, yep. This wouldn't be a jam I would actually care, but nah. What do you still want from me? Count! Sorry, length, because you're like that. Like, I still don't understand. Why are lists using count and arrays using what's it called? Length. There's probably a reason for it, but it sucks anyways. Where's the circle? Oh, there's the circle. What's the size of 0.35? So it's gonna be 0.3 here. That's not how it works. So the games are the cool. They aren't to make. That's what I'm going to say. That's where I'm going to end my saying, because I actually want to die. And that's what most people think about 2D games and making them. Okay, what is this absolutely drunk? Okay, I think it's gonna be good enough. Maybe like 14 to be just right. We'll check size. Actually no, never mind. We don't want a capsule. Go away. We don't want capsules. And center we'll check size, and we'll check there. Basically we want, yeah, we want I don't think we want the capsule, because I want you see, I want people to hang on from the side and not from like the here. Like, why? Is that what we want? Okay, jump check. No, it's wall check now. Wall check. Oh, there we go. Oh. .5 minus 0.5 it's 3 4 3 3.5 4 5 3 2 3 3 5 2 5. Oh, there we go, we did it, we did it. This is really terrible. And here I've decided it's actually going to be minus 12, because why not? Okay, now it should feel nice, hopefully. Please feel nice. Oh, isn't this a fantastic... oh, yeah. Oh, yes, yes, this is perfectly okay. Yep, yep, that's exactly what I need. So it's like it's from Trap Adventure 2. I have no idea what you are talking about. So speedy, holy garbage. Also, yeah, I've heard like a tip that if you're streaming, you should probably like change option, what was it? Frame limit 30. So why can I move to the left? It's really strange. Goes again to map editor. Left. Left stick left. Is that not a thing? That... I don't get it. Who cares? You shouldn't be playing on that thing anyways. Okay, this is getting a little bit like too low performance for me. 60. Yeah, it's pretty much just OBS will stop crying about it. Yeah. It's like this big delay. I have no idea if that's Unity or is that my input system. Hopefully not, hopefully not. I don't really want it to be slow, please. I want to sit on it once again for 2 weeks. I have no idea how it would be slow, like it literally updates every frame. See, there's like a QA input update. This object, literally, input update manager did update. Every single frame. Unless I could actually do something. Script execution order. Oh no, this is literally like... No, this should like probably... this script basically updates the state of gamepads, so if you call it, it updates. So if you call it too slow, like... If you don't call it fast enough, it's gonna be laggy. If you like call it once a frame... Sorry, no, if you call it once a frame it should feel fine, but if you call it like once per second, it will only read the input once per second, which will absolutely suck. So we don't want that. Amogur. Yeah, this is literally looks like Amogus, I'm sorry. But like... This literally looks like it, I'm sad. Oh wait, stamina is here, I didn't even notice. Look at this smoker. Look at this amoker. So funny. Actually, here, upscale render texture. Oh, this looks horrendous. What happened? Oh, because I'm using the wrong. This should probably feel more smooth now. It doesn't. Okay, let's imagine it this. Actually, I think camera controller should be in fixed update, and I think it isn't. Sorry, wrong thing. Camera controller. When do you get executed? Oh, it's literally every fixed update. Okay, never mind. I don't get it. Okie dokie. That's it. I think I'm going to slowly end the stream. Many people are watching me. 3, congratulations. The few surviving. What were we doing? Oh yeah, animations, I forgot. Assets, scriptable objects, actually let's do it in here. Scriptable objects. Sprite animations. Create scriptable objects, sprite animator, sprite animations. Player idle. Sprites. Open the sprite. What are you smoking? Could you please open it in normal editor? Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 4, I think, should be idle. This thing. Sprites. Am I right? Why? Not sure if I should even question this. Who cares? Yeah, whatever. Who cares? Yep. Player idle. Yeah, player. Now we open the player. Open it, and here we add a sprite animator. And we track this animation. Oh, never mind. We actually modified the script and override reset. And on reset, this thing gets called when you add a component. So yeah, if we do sprite renderer, vehicle get component sprite renderer, just like this. So yeah, if we reset it, like, it automatically assigns itself there. That's amazing. Like, not many people are talking about this. Why isn't this working? I think I'm using the wrong. Oh, hold up. Okay, suddenly it works. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's like two garbage per second. Public, sorry, serialized field, sprite and animation. I swear. Anim them, I guess, for you, kind friend. Okay, then we can assign the animation there, and hopefully it should work out of the box, hopefully. Yeah, it works. I'm amazing. Object not set to an instance of an object. Could you please stop saying the same thing? I don't care. Okay, so in here we also need to make two new functions. Public void change animation. Sprite animation. Anim. So this to anim will equal anim. Is that all? Oh yeah, and frame will be equal 0. That's how we do it. I think we need a little bit more light because sun said no. I think we have a little bit too much light, thank you. Okay then, sprites, frame, yep, and one thing I also want to do is public void change swap animation. So this will be kind of the same, except that we won't reset the frame, and we will also tell it to update the visuals. So we'll basically tell them to do this. Actually, hold up. Void change frame, update frame. Let's just say if sprite renderer is not equal null. Actually, if it's equal null, return. And so we will just copy this here, right? Am I right? Is that all is that all? 3 viewers, fantastic. Sprite count 0. Current animation, yep. Okay, yes, this works. Yes. Then we call it this, and in here we will also call this. So, for example, let's just say I have an idle animation. And I'm this is where it starts, this is where it ends, and I have just 2 frames. Let's say, for example, now I would like to swap out my hair color or my shirt color or whatever. Swap out the animation, mid animation, not completely reset it once again. Like, wait, we swap the animation, we update the frame, but we are still in the same animation. We are still at the same place where we ended, and that's what I want. And this is what this is hopefully is gonna do. Yes, that's how it works. Ah. Okay, honestly, I think we should slowly end this stream because I'm losing my senses. I'm still gonna have to dig through this thing and implement all of the animations to play nicely, so yeah. But before that, we are going to slowly be ending. I don't think there's nobody is going to question anything. There aren't any questions because there's nobody watching, but you know, we have to start out somewhere. I wonder like how long I will... I think it's probably like one of the last streams that you will see. I don't know. This isn't turning into like a live stream channel, I just wanted to try this thing out. Like, Twitch absolutely sucks. So yeah, I guess that's it for today. I'm going slowly insane, but that's the whole part of game jams. Well, bye, stranger. Hopefully when I press a button on my YouTube garbage it won't completely wreck everything.